how do I use bulk files to optimize PPC campaigns more effectively? So you can use bulk files, and this is something that is native on the Amazon Ads platform. You would download those. Ideally, you would download them for the past at least 7 days with 2 days of attribution. Example, if today is Wednesday, then you would download the data from last week's Monday to this Monday. And then the way how you would optimize that is you would download those files, and then on the bid section, that is something that you're going to affect. When it comes down to optimization, that is the way how you would optimize them. But what is really important that most, especially beginners, are missing is that your CPC, so your cost per click, and your bid can be totally different. They're not going to be the same thing. So it's going to be really important that you are optimizing based on your CPC, based on your cost per click. Example, if it costed you $2, but you're bidding $5, then the $2 from the $2 you should be optimizing. So what we're doing on our end, if we would be doing this manually, is would be copying the CPC sections within the bid section, and then from there we're going to adjust the bid, either reduce it, either increase it. Really important. Now the second thing that you should be also aware of, if you have specific placement modifiers within your campaigns, what can be happening is that with these placement modifiers already in place, they are going to increase your bid. So really important is that make sure that you either have no placement modifiers in place if you want to do this process, either find a strategy to optimize in such a way that your placement modifiers are not going to affect in such a big way whatever modifications you would do.